Ever wondered what it's like to push your drone to its limits, all while being wrapped in nature's quiet embrace? Stick with me today. I'm putting my DJI Mini 4K to the test, climbing for altitude deep in one of Beijing's most tranquil riverside retreats. Baihewan Qing Shiling. This place is a hidden treasure on the city's outskirts. Here, the chaos of Beijing melts away, replaced by the soft murmur of a flowing river and the whisper of wind through leaves. The air, crisp, clean, like a breath of fresh life. It's the kind of spot that makes you want to hit pause perfect for camping, for slowing down, and yes, for a little adventure. I rolled out of the city at 4:30 a.m. when Beijing's streets were still dozing. Now, at 6 a.m., the first hints of dawn are seeping into the sky, and I'm finally here. The quiet is almost dreamlike. Cool air nipping at my skin, the river's gentle rush, a bird or two stirring to greet the day. I pitched my tent right by the water, soaking in the calm, then reached for my drone. Today's mission: test its altitude. I won't lie, my hands are a little shaky. I've heard the local drone rules can be tight, but curiosity's got the better of me. I'm aiming for 300 meters. It's a mix of jitters and thrill as I send it up, nerve-wracking but electric. Up there, high above the river, I'm suspended between adventure and stillness. The world stretching out below, quiet and unspoiled, while the drone hums like a tiny, determined heartbeat. If you enjoyed today's cozy, peaceful camping vibe, do me a huge favor, smash that like button. And if you want to tag along for more calm outdoor adventures, hit subscribe too. Your support, it's the fuel that keeps these trips and this channel going. Seriously, means the world to me. Thanks a ton, everyone.